Hello, baby.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good morning.
So Tyler, say hi.
Hi. It's orange.
The bonjour, so walk one.
Like
Hey.
Mama, it's orange.
Tyler, hold on to Papa hand.
Orange.
Yes, it's orange. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and we're on a road trip. You guys missed the first leg of the trip. We left France this morning about 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Roughly 10:30, 10:40, somewhere there we drove out. And we have a 4-hour drive to get to our destination. We did 1 hour so far and we made stop. We're in another country. We're in Italy. But we're going on another side of Italy. We are in a city right now, which is the first stop, called Taggia. A small village. Oh, that's pretty. A small village about an hour away from Nice. We've never been here before. So since we have 4 hours to drive to reach our final destination of our little mini vacation, we are making stops so that the kids can eat, we can eat, the drive won't be so tiring, we can see different places along the way and such. So that's where we are right now.
Mama?
Kick off to our 4 days vacation. And yeah, so oh, Tyler is back from his trip. You guys haven't seen Tyler since he's been back from his trip. Tyler, tell them real quick, how was your trip?
It was good.
And guess what? A lot of them guessed the number of your room and they haven't get it. So now you can reveal. What was the number of your room?
204.
There we go. 2 people come really close. So I think one said 206 and one said 210 and another person said 201. So I think the person who said 201 came the closest and 206. But yeah, his number was 204. Tyler had the best time. He's been back and now we are off on a 4-day vacation. So yeah, we are gonna take you guys along as much as we can today. So now we're in Taggia in Italy, in a small village, and we're just visiting her. So here we go, Taggia. Ah, you know, the European vibes. Yes? There's monster inside. Why do you think that? Because it looks like this. She said there's monster inside. Yes?
Can I tell something?
Do you want to tell something to Faves?
It's the city that we're going the closest of our final destination.
How what?
The city is the closest.
Take the candy out of your mouth.
The city is the closest of our final destination.
The city, the closest. Sarah? Sarah, stay where you are. Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
Where we will be?
You want them to guess where we will be?
Beside which city we will be?
We will beside a lot of city. But you have to ask them a more precise question. You want them to guess which big city we'll be close to. Right, so Tyler, I want you to guess which big city in Italy we will be staying. And we'll actually be visiting that big city on Saturday. But right now, if you haven't seen my Instagram stories, guess which big city we'll be staying beside in Italy. Alright, this city that we're in right now is very dead. I never understand these dead cities. I never understand it. Look, there are many cars that are parked along the streets, but you don't see anybody. People eating, babe. Where? You don't even see restaurants to go into. So how can they be eating? And it will be raining. Come here. Come, princess, go. It will be raining. It was raining this morning and it should be raining right now. But thank God we get a little sun and it will be raining for the rest. It should be raining for the rest of the day. So let's see how that will go. Yes?
I want to...
They're seeing you.
I want to give 3 propositions for the answer of...
Okay. What are the propositions?
Between Rome, Turin, and Florence.
So here, Tyler give you 3 cities. Which of the 3 cities are we going to? And which of the 3 cities we will be staying close beside?
Don't Krista!
Yes, Sarah is excited because our final destination, hold on, let me turn this around so you guys can see me. Our final destination where we will be staying is with a family member, is with one of Babe's uncle. This uncle has been begging, literally begging Babe to carry me and the kids to come and meet him since I moved to France, basically before Sarah was even thought of and born. And Tyler's been here. He's been begging Babe to see us, and we were supposed to go to see him. We had planned to go to see him just before COVID, and COVID hit and we had to put off that trip. And now we decided that finally, I'm saying to Babe that no Babe, we really need to go and see him. So today is the day. We're going to spend a few days with him, and he's super excited to see his nephew and his what would you call it, his grandniece and grandnephew. That's what we call it. Yeah, and the in-law. So I'm excited to meet him too, because he seemed like a cool uncle. If you guys know Babe dad or know any one of Babe family member, you know they're the coolest. Yeah, so that's what this trip is really all about. So it's a family trip, which we're always excited to take you guys on our trips. Anyway, you guys, I need to move along in this dead city because I don't know why there is no sign of life apart from just cars. So let's carry on. You don't smell it? Go.
Where?
Where they walk from one house to the next. The bridge.
Papa?
Look at these houses, you guys. We always find the creepiest, weirdest looking cities.
We like that.
We love it. Get up, princess, get up.
Lève-toi. Lève-toi.
Come, go. Follow Papa. gonna reverse. Oh, Peter, he's going over. Go, 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 go. This is what happened when you go on adventures. We got lost. End up in this little street. Call our uncle and you're not at the right place. It says we're 4 minutes away, but we're not 4 minutes away. We're 14 minutes away. So now we're gonna have to try to find the right place. Ah, I was so excited to reach when I see the clock say 4 minutes, but we're not at the right place. We're about 20 minutes away. Murder, but at least we'll find a nice little waterfall.
It's here.
Woo, we're passing back the waterfall. Well, discovering. We're discovering the world by waterfall. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see if we can find the good place. So we've arrived at our cabin and the kids are living their best life. Look at them. So we have 3 beds, Sarah, me and Babe, and Tyler. Real mountain life. I didn't tell you guys where we're heading, but we're in the mountains. And that's downstairs. The cabin reminds me of the real country life. I'm gonna show you guys what downstairs look like. Yes. You want to do pee-pee? Come. And then we have a real gas stove like a Jamaican life. I love it. Look at this heating thing. I don't even know what you call this. You see, real country, mountain, rustic life. I love it. I wouldn't trade this kind of living for anything. Send her to the toilet. Yeah, so we've arrived. We've arrived. And finally met Uncle. It was raining, so I couldn't take out the camera to catch that moment. But you guys will meet him at some point. We are just getting settled, and then we will be heading to his house, which is just across from here, and this is where he lives for a lot of his life. So we're just getting ourselves situated and settled in the cabin, and then we're heading to Uncle to relax and chit chat for the evening before we head out to dinner at a restaurant for 8 o'clock reservation. So yeah, we're here. That's Uncle over there. Guys, we are now at a restaurant having dinner at a pizzeria. It's a pizza shop, but they also have pasta. So let's see what each of us gonna choose. Time to eat. So. Well, dis. Ah, c'est pour moi. Non, pour lui. Et lui aussi. C'est pour moi. Merci.
Ça, c'est un moi, ça.
Oui, je sais, mais ça peut boire. Ça peut boire.
Tu veux chin ça avec tonton?
Avec rien, pas de verre.
Il faut maintenant.
Chin.
Il faut regarder dans les yeux, réfléchir. Non, faut regarder dans les yeux. Un garçon vert. Sarah.
Chin.
Comment t'as rempli ton verre? Alors, au plaisir de vous connaître.
Maman, I can drink it.
Pareil, ça fait
Maman, I
plaisir de
can
venir.
drink it. It's gonna fall.
No, it won't fall. Take it down like this. 2 hands. 2 hands. Slowly. Bring it towards you.
Ouais, dans 2 semaines.
Take it off the table. Take it off. Very good. Drink.
Travail, de sous.
No, do it like this.
Normalement, c'est pas. Là, en général, je prends 2 semaines. Après,
Put it back.
parce que moi, je prends 1 semaine ou 2 semaines.
Very good.
Je prends quand je veux, parce que. Mais voilà.
So I'm having gnocchi with is like red lettuce. So I'm having plain pasta.
De chèque. C'est plus eux ils te voient, ce qu'ils ont besoin c'est d'avoir quelqu'un qui est compétent, quelqu'un qui est beaucoup ils connaissent, on connaît notre intimité parce qu'on va au-delà. Pour l'autre qui veut faire ses rendez-vous sur un bateau, celui qui aime bien encore ce qu'il veut te dire, qui te donne des clés, qui te dit va dans là parce que il n'y a personne toute l'année, ça fait plaisir que tu y ailles. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Je veux goûter à sa pizza.
S'il te plaît.
Non.
They're playing with it, they're
Ça va,
playing.
moi j'en ai une autre là. Un garçon.
Pizza kings. Look at them and pizza. They're gonna kill it. That's how Italians eat pizza. Italian pizza is very thin, like that, with not much topping. They use knife and fork to eat their pizza. There we go. Real Italian pizza. Look how my kids are eating. You bite your tongue? Take your time. Look how she eats well. Tell her to. And I'm almost done. Tyler is laughing. And of course, there's no ending the day in Italy without ice cream. C'est de noisettes, merci. Oh. So good. It's so good. Oh my gosh, what's the name of this shop? I'm coming. I'll be back. That's okay. I'll be back. I'm going to look here. I know. You guys, look at these pastries in here. Oh my gosh. So good. So good. Prêt. C'est pistache et noisette.
Oui, c'est déjà. Pistachio.
Et toi, c'est le caramel, bébé?
Oui, c'est déjà.
Non, ça va.
Pistachio.
Non, non.
Tu veux goûter?
Non, lui, il est allergique à la pistache.
Talal, elle est allergique. Mais ça, là, c'est bon.
Vous n'avez pas de pistache?
I'm eating noisette. So good. Italy never fails with ice cream.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.